Hello students, let's continue with our chapter Dissolution of Partnership Firm. In the previous video, we have understood the concept of dissolution. Now, as a question, you will be given a balance sheet and some adjustments. Let us see in details the accounting entries to close the books of accounts. The three stages, that is the transfer stage, realization or disposal stage, and distribution stage. Now let's see the entries under transfer stage. Now in this transfer stage, all the balances from the balance sheet are to be transferred. So first, transfer all the assets to realization account. A journal entry is realization account debit to asset account. We write this on the debit side of realization account as to sundry assets account, and we write each asset individually here. Then we transfer the outside liabilities to realization account. The journal entry is sundry liabilities account debit to realization. We transfer the liabilities to the credit side of realization account by sundry liabilities. Then if there are any provision on assets like provision for depreciation, RDD, then this will be transferred to the credit side of realization account, and the journal entry is provision on asset account debit to realization account. If there are any provisions on liabilities, for example, reserve for discount on creditors, then this will be recorded on the debit side of realization account, and the journal entry is realization account debit to provision on liability. Then next, if there are any accumulated profits or reserves appearing in the balance sheet like general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss account, credit balance, then this has to be distributed among the partners, and it is shown on the credit side of partners capital account. The journal entry is accumulated profit account debit to partners capital or current account. And if in case there are any accumulated losses in the balance sheet like profit and loss account debit balance, loss which has not been distributed earlier, so this will now be distributed among the partners, and it will be shown on the debit side of partners capital account. Then the opening capital balance of partners appearing in the balance sheet will be transferred to the credit side of partners capital account. The cash or bank balance in the balance sheet will be shown as opening balance in cash or bank account. After all the balances from the balance sheet are transferred, we move on to the next stage, that is the realization or disposal stage. Now here first, the assets are sold. So when assets are sold for cash, we receive cash. So cash account debit to realization account. So while posting, we write on the debit side of cash account as to realization account, and on the credit side of realization account as by cash or bank account. And if any assets are taken over by partner, then the partner's capital account will be debited. So the entry is partner's capital account debit to realization account. So you see here, when the assets were transferred, they were transferred to the debit side of realization account, and now when these assets are disposed of, sold or taken over by the partners, we have credited realization account. Then when liabilities, that is outside liabilities like the creditors, bills payable, loan taken from any outside person, bank overdraft, or any contingent liability, if it is paid, then we debit realization account and cash or bank account is credited. And if any partner decides to take over the liability and pay off the liability, then the partner's capital account will be credited. So here again you see, during the transfer stage, the liabilities were transferred to the credit side of realization account, and now when the liabilities are paid off or taken over by partners, we have to debit realization account. Then the realization expenses, if it is paid by the firm, realization account debit to cash or bank. So on the debit side of realization account, we write to cash or bank realization expenses, and credit side of cash or bank account we show by realization account. And if any of the partner decides to pay the realization expenses, then we have to credit that partner's capital account. If any partner is paid commission, then that partner's capital account has to be credited. So we debit realization account by that amount of commission and credit that partner's capital account. Now, if there is any loan given by partner to the firm, we prepare a separate partner's loan account and transfer the balance to that loan account. And when this partner's loan is paid off, partner's loan account will be debited and cash or bank account will be credited. Now all the assets are realized and liabilities discharged. Then we move on to the next stage, that is the distribution stage. Now first we'll close the realization account, and when the realization account is closed, we'll arrive at realization profit or realization loss. So if there is realization profit, then it will be credited to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio, and if there is loss on realization, then it will be debited to partner's capital account. After this, we move on to the partner's capital account. We balance the partner's capital account. If the partner's capital account shows credit balance, that means the credit side of that respective partner is greater, then cash is paid to the partner to settle this capital account. And if partner's capital account shows a debit balance, that is the debit side is greater, then partners have to bring in cash to settle the accounts. So when cash is paid to the partners, partner's capital account is debited and cash or bank account is credited. And when the partners bring in cash to settle the account, partner's capital account will be credited and cash or bank account will be debited as the cash is being brought in. And after that, we close the cash or bank account, and your cash or bank account has to tally. Now these are all the entries of realization account. Then the partner's capital account, cash or bank account. I'm sure you have understood this. Thank you.